so ya bronsa.
Nti adentina onhwe microphone mu na onkasangu
microphone ye nhwem ye kasagum ye hwe ni panim.
Adina onhwe manim na onkasangu microphone.
Yes.
Kalabini boy say the onye show no ba aden. Aha yanka brofo ha. Hey twi. Na jabe kan eden e fra kasa na. I say twi ne ka. Yanka brofo ha.
Wait, but who say me twi e bad sa na?
No, I'm not saying say twi e bad.
Bema.
But and no show. Show what 3FM.
Me yeah, asante twi wo school o.
Sa o.
Ha. Me bu be sisi a wo be na ne.
Me ho be dey.
Life is short, so don't stress. Whether you get them or you don't get. Me, I can't come to myself. Happiness, I won't get. Nothing there for forget. For me, I know the girls. Forget girls. Now there's no tomorrow. It don't matter. No problem, no live forever.
I told you that end of first day, maiden edition need the airbo call, can you slow into the lens and we begin to be. Oh, it's in a take care. What do I say? Alienko. Not about that one on your firm. This is Onua Showbiz. Baby, you do know who pa. Na end no on say a maiden edition me slow me con boko. Na mom no me ton kra ma funny face. We yankra na mede manual. Na me lensa capture video bia ne ex-girlfriend Vanessa. Okay, can send me. Ojo pra kudan kwa ba. Na nyom ne se me to nkra kituwe bi e dem funny face. We so kituwe bi. Ende no ye bobo so a ende ye the maiden edition kituwe bi. Onua Showbiz we so kituwe bi. Na mom no me pesa funny face ya we say talent in ekura no enye ono nko an talent the whole world talent in ekura no. It got to a level in his life na enyama nko yie because oni Vanessa nsensem ya yi ebo fantim kakra obi ya we enyame na meka obi ya we enyame Kwame na meka asem we. You see, funny face at some point in Anyaman Koyemano, it affected the entertainment industry because we needed him to come be part of the industry. He was nowhere to be found because na Sabio na Jumuhan Kakra. Na funny face ex-girlfriend Vanessa is on record say time only funny face what issue no she's on record say o say na wa ware o say owokunu she's on record na sabio na dwenya ne say funny face okwa o mabiem intino ene no pa bi obeka nyame adom funny face amodam adam de wa mobi wa modam na dwuma nka no baby okwa eno tumi bae. So okwa no buy and emu ba ya dem fat emu ya dama funny face. Inti Vanessa say onya yanka. Na me also answer by video be say or connection and kwala no so when we say funny face e weakness when it come to nkwala and u person use nkwala no as a bait. Now we dada funny face. Funny face. Me to wonkra sa unim na Vanessa ba obra bombi ma o yare no to come back. I'm telling you. I'm being honest with you. Funny face. Vanessa say onim weakness. Weakness in yankwala no kids. And you know, she's going to use your weakness yankwala as a bait to bring you on board again. No answer basha irase. Na Amazadora de kakra na wakosa ne cash kakra no. Once I you be funny face. Sa unim now my Vanessa back to your life. It will activate again. Be very careful. In fact, be extra careful. Because yen traho ma obi selfish interest in tino talent like funny face and die off. Me see and then no ye and tete hon next week never start ejuma. This week you know I say me won share them family enum poni me won family but we entete hon name Vanessa sister Van so when we say funny face weakness na yan kwala ninti no you want to use that one as a best and you no go area. My name is NKG Nana Kwame Gyan. This is Onua Showbiz on Onua 95.1 upon fire ready segment how many bro your lens no you be can the way if the lens capture you we'll talk about you whether good way or bad way we'll talk about you. Agropanum side there. Ever started. But Vanessa, hey! Vanessa, leave funny face alone. And funny face, also for a bomb pie mouth, and need a funny say, a doctor for more almost had to say almost 2 for. Now get now Leo because we need you. In fact, Ghanaians have missed that side of you. Nkwala na nkwala hu no mu ni agent nkwala no they miss you. Don't go to this distraction. Man call distraction we mu be me pacho. Funny face. I beg you. Vanessa, stay off funny face. Thank you so much. God bless you. And I have with me here artist manager Papa. Manager for Rampon Santa de Lumba. Rafo manager. Then or the new Amizuba. Then I have with me here my co-host Ohemaa Champoma. Ohemaa. Where do you tell Nianko on the Vanessa issue? No?
Okay.
What your buy dear? Say, gay say, yeah, yet try one year canoe. Ye need be woo say, who say, or funny face kukuma, ye need be woo. Because on your back back. Because funny face are modern.
I told Diana, you say, on your back back. Otuwe onya bofra relationship ahodo no akoni nyina bi muda wo san kra so ye be ma me kakra manyim am nkofo kakra ma me ankasa nso maku hu be ma bi ani mo ba ope be ma he obetumi ade okwan wo honom ahange ona wo yi silence wa ye style bia no anuane ahodo apese ono ama be ma no ope wa ope ompe wo nso so a it doesn't really matter what you're doing. Nia ama abaya no akukudra ma na tunya babontin aba be kase mo amoti abontin amokeke kase funny face ebia ontumi ne nkonkotene bie mu ana ase girl no waja no hon mama nkinya me anka funny trim nsem kekan bebrebe ni nyina no you don't really know what is going on behind the scenes. One, funny face ene Vanessa omo ma no miensa na mienu yensa ho 3 ena bema bia so je bema se be bema yekohwini ena owo ma o ba bia o ma nani nku akwala enkwala no nana ya na minimu no he is a very soft person e bia bonten oba
and it's again take advantage.
No, she's not take well ni so de betimi aka ne se o take advantage. But Bema no Emma no sa kwan na.
And it's person oko back be mi na.
Obeko so akwa.
Oko wie ni kojo to.
Yes, and I make say funny face amma Vanessa ho kwan. Say bia obema bi won obetimi ne na wo. Montamuti amontamate. Take care of ne ma.
Ohwe ne ma ni kwan.
Obi won ma ompa wani ma hwe kra na. Sika no betimi kra de akwakosi obi so. And obeje bank details. Onim say at the end of every month this is the amount he needs to pay into your a year. Time no kra so no ascend no de akwakoma. Ompa wani mu ahwe eno no. But if Vanessa Tumba Bontin be ka say eni amokeke ka no e bi kra na no ma hyase enyanki.
Hey,
Debbie na wo tincha ha no ye nyina yete back yi ha say yenim ne ekoso
na funny face o yes am mistake
it is your hope
you better demonstrate against him.
Demonstration. Or Kwada Hospital, no contribution, Ben I.
Bebre.
Dear Bebre.
Me say, Enyama, ye will be a fame, and Paibopa, a bomber funny face.
Fasting, no, ya can't.
And Paibopa, bomber funny face. Name I have done what on every year. All that I could distract I didn't be.
I know they'll check your phone. Oh, check your phone.
Okay, I'm could you pray Kodankwa?
Yes, sir.
Could you pray Kodankwa? Oh, emu, a more deep.
I don't know if an opinion Jacob.
I
mean, he's not opinion Jacob.
But
or the coffee
but in summer if in the trimbano. On that you we are kwala. Na say summer can say few trimba to make us oh I'm afraid dear. On ya kwala we penny.
But let's keep the brand.
He's
still coffee.
And your bonnet is a from opinion.
No, there's a brand called Opinion Jekum. Inti o kapena o say the brand no. But you coffee Jekum.
Inti no coffee Opinion Jekum.
There be opinion in film. I don't want me here. And I just say, mama cry. Me pa me take me ba Opinion Jekum opinion miss Opinion Jekum university
professor. Professor. Yeah, before you
I said, I didn't know your papa view. When you could grab beer, grab your winning.
Yes, sir. Yanko, on the funny face issue, quick.
Oh, this funny face business, I don't have much to say, but like she was saying, you know, some of these things, I mean, but between relationships there, you can't do anything about it. I mean, we are not the ones.
But could you, I'm looking at it from the angle of funny face being an asset to the industry.
Everybody is an asset.
Yes. And you know, and you're more fame now.
Maybe we've had people who have gone through drugs, okay, who are national assets.
And then
people influence them to do
drugs.
Yes. But or drugs or mass, and people have got HIV and dead and all that. They were national assets.
Or the young man back.
I get it. Oh, my man, can you So people have died. People have gone crazy. People are still at rehab centers. I mean, dealing with themselves and all that. But at the long run, Obani Bemadie, I mean, you can't be the public person to judge. I mean, them. If today they come together, bingo. I mean, they know why they are together. You are looking at the financial aspect of it and all that, but maybe he's also looking at the love aspects, the suffering, the beginning, the genesis of their whole relationship up until now. And to do who yentia sebi, I mean, on no etna say on the now and all that. And I mean, so saw that issue of say in Kwalaninti, Abiano Asako back, mean so. But I mean, morally, people do continue to do such a thing. So Kwana said the next time a sign scene is to be main cancer. Okay. But the next time that's be here. So be it. Say be so in rather it encourages and it improves his life. So be it. Until only that's I mean, I think we should leave it for them to deal with it.
Okay.
Like she was saying, as we speak right now, saying they don't mind any their course a test message is a course so say Makofio haba say no better how they change so to wakwa
and you're binding, you need a lot to do. Princess Vampire. So say no, the best you need to do is to pray for them. Vampire more.
Yes. Now what now say watch you come up Vampire man. No, what Vampire man what the radiance is no what no. Let
mom call say
why the catcher say or say yeah. I mean you don't have to do
that. Okay. 95.1 Onua FM. This is Onua Showbiz. With me, NKG, Kwame Gyan, and Ohemaa Champoma. We are live on Facebook. And to join us. We are live on Facebook. Onua share. It's very important. Onua share. Franklin Kofi Openye Jekum. But just a minute on Vanessa Funny Face.
Nana kwa mwawareda.
Nanka mko warendi anyi.
Bacho asman bisa we yes or no. Yemfa nanka.
Da bi na
abotre.
Om de say ya ware.
Nya abotre. Minim se eya no pentama kasa. Minim se wakoma ben. Ba wo de nya abotre ma.
Om de nya ware.
Matias. Enyo masem na meka me bisa wo. Se wa ware.
No, I didn't say bisa me.
No ha se e be entertain ko fo ne educate wo. Enti asem na wo bisa ne. Pese me wo se wodi fo wo ana se wodi bi mansa na waka asem.
Ona sa asem meka na enye fo ana bim tina me meka.
Me na me se me pese me hunu. Ese wodi fo ana wodi bi mo ansa na waka.
De ntina say
Nana kwa mwawarre pen. Ade na ye odin so be yi ano.
Yenko so tuazo.
Wawarre pen nana kwa me.
Yenko enim tuazo.
Nana kwa mwawarre pen.
Openeje kum.
Minya no manu.
Nana Kwame Gyan wawarre pen.
Openeje kum yenko enim tuazo.
Trosem na hye yen. Waka e yo hyew. Ese enye so obarima nko a ebe nante. It is fa ne se me ye kromfo. Na onim se me ye kromfo. Na me ni adwuma ye. Na wo be ka kire me se me nyae kro no a. Na wa ama me adwuma ma me anya. Ofo se na me ye bi.
Oh, be san ko nchi.
Analogy we no baby anam no ansa da nya yisa.
Me bisa wo asem. Me se fa ne se me ye kromfo.
Ade ntina meka say nanka. O say ne de nanka ne hunya.
Because when you man.
But wo de ne de mo so o say me fa ne say.
Aye, because before asem nim se me bisa wo anyi ano. It's a me de wo di odi fo mu no e de ka asem ama wo.
O de enko enim.
Enti nyabotrama me na me nkomanim. Hwe sa akoma sori a adwene nya adwuma. No matter who you are. You for my Tyson yemfa to ho. Unya sika bebre omra na oso a. Hwe se na the temperament ne ne nyama esitie. Hwe problems of firm. The next say no the next marriage or high will be obebo ne ho ban. A lawyer. It will catch a funny face say Vanessa ba mo onye no. Misrew oba be na ode ma funny face a ode be cheche na ewe for that.
Onua benya bi.
Onua benya bi ene owo bi didawo.
Onua benya bi.
Ene owo bi didawo.
Yankopon mebo ne mane ye bi.
Yakopon amane bi didawo.
Enya ne ode obe man.
Nana Kwame Gyan ene wo adwene ene enyame adwene. Hwe eya ne de bia ya kan entertainers. Who entertains the entertainer?
Yeah, of course, that is my issue.
Funny face ade ba ko pe no hia o. Ba ebia na bi mu ni bi mu so ni. Funny face needs to be loved
by us.
No.
And that is the reason some of us wholeheartedly.
Nyabotre. Kwame wo bisa me asem nyabotre. Se nka wo o ka wo mo funny face ene je ho a. Ka wo ben no. Untimi mpa obi asem mra wo gina akiri.
Dabi na be na be se de hu.
Nyabotre. O ben na nka me ka asem wo radio so. Ka be ka akire no. Ka to nkra e wo radio jai.
Information we me de ma ba no. Oba na me de ma information.
Kwame me nka ma no ntum ne ato aso ana.
Kasa mete o.
Me da se. Me so ti ase ne se de nipa pe no. Eno ene Yakopon de ma no. Eso hu so se de nipa pe no ye. Se funny face decide say okofa Vanessa wo. Unyina left and right. Uni say.
Not at all.
Eye na kuma mu ade
e demonstrate.
E na odi akire. Ebi mpo a na enye oba ni nti na osan akọ oba ne ho. Eso so wo ma. Hwe enema miensa
ma ni nti onwu.
Na botre onwu. Enema miensa wo ho a yen akoye nipa ye nwene ho. But edi yenya. So wo de odasani ba asase so a trosem Nyankopon asem e hyew pete se so hwe nipa no se oye opanyinipa kosi se obede ne ho. Enye oba ni nti me se Musa funny face ne ex girlfriend and ne ex wife na ma ebeye me de. Enkwala ni nti nyabotre. Enkwala ni nti banye ne fe so se one ga ni besa nya bibi aye na e de asem beba dabi ne one oba no eye adwumadi omkose kokwa mu di ya e de amansan ani abehwe wom eye nkwala no eno ho na ma edwene. Ya maame e ka asem bi obema bi wo ho a
Ohima champoma.
Ohemaa e champoma.
No wo fe pa yeah.
Me wani misro. Wo wani ne mienu. Me de ne ba ko. Eteso so wuzu me nzu mi. Tinya botre ma me. Sabe Oma ware pain. And now Oma trempana pain.
I am Panama ware.
Mr. Nabuchi. You can't worry what I say.
And this is another topic. Almost temporary. Queen penny.
Sabi, only Ufa will be, and only will be that, and Audi will be a warren or home. So, per se, I can't worry.
And you whom must have near.
It's Jadine. Bibia shall say free whom I
say you for so count.
When you're D4.
Artist management, and you say what I say D4. Young queen,
the adrenaline Yansa and a Bobra.
Young queen.
It's Sabi. Naomi and Wakoya no Kukoma Babo and Tia and May young Qualano. You want them to suffer?
Over him, Qualano.
My champion Mark Sam. I say, Obi no jai on person bebel. It's no a true sikama. No aquafa and no interest any pan 8 hours. When ya ashe
or one who buy.
When ya ashe
and define one who buy.
Now, but you're not be tuneful.
Not at all. Mean to us you.
And I'll be tuneful. Also, with 2 personal issues with Vanessa.
And I'll call home.
Sabe, Vanessa, I hear Nadrene. No, a son Nadrene. No one knew who are you not to forgive?
Okay, yeah, that's it. Open here, that's it. Adjoa. Nana Adjoa Silky.
Oh, is that Adjoa to go?
Adjoa, just quick one on this one day. We'll move. Me bacho mon frère microphone na on ma check me check me microphone se na mame.
Yeah, hello. What's your all right.
Yanko
relationship and commodity you kind of new na Mrs. say the challenges
into what I na they are always near sick no up jam ka on silky intina slow na okay
and I could you me boy na na Kwame Gyan onuatie from anyway and
mafia so to catch up
me da Onua Showbiz and so I say well almost me da was say
nice one
I would say cremu no so no me da was say Ofeneje ku me da was say kojo frɛ ku me da was say and Ohemaa champ for me da was say funny face as some there meaning how from the lens seat from Nana Kwame Gyan was here because they be no how obehu how near me ko ene yan common your pronunciations ewo ihumemo no and then man nipa fage no abibi ho nipa wan kire wa obi hu hwe obeka fa
yeah
and am near me course so how drama somewhere course nyina no from Nana Kwame perspective out in the lens ni mo no oh yes our opinion na nyanwa yes but osabe mo no because emotions are attached here and with emotions no o ka so be kire wa dwuna fa ho pe o be stop it
yeah
because you move bebre o ha wo nkofo bi ani o mo nam it is o mo mo so ni o mo nam they are like your drug na ko used to say there are certain artists and I say celebrities be a drug addiction sounds like a woman addiction because if you go baba ko pe na man ni edge and so her funny face in seminar is see and you could see say now we're facing challenges from the earlier marriage concerning
child
and then you can home and concerning sexual whatever it was 1 minute in somebody
no almost say 2 minutes per
exactly 2 minutes then you know so the duration between the breakup with the first marriage and Vanessa was so quick and I heard and so the excitement of Onya and Matt Twins no through that the excitement was overly so I quite say me prove a point to the people because they have humiliated me humiliated me for a long time it you know mo amusu say me nya be me mu no nya me na exact it you know say on Vanessa and something na no ekogina drama because they are proving a point to the world bia makanda bia na enya odokan
and no
mo chase exactly by the end of the day na enkrofo asere me wo ho ache no wo buy wa ya mama it with that wo be penny pana say automatically
and that's actually true love that is true love
I don't say with that no say funny face hwemu de and no de ni beto say anya bia no obi akra yi ni mo no
ojina ho ama
ojira ho ma me be so pa opane ye wona me adama ye nyamam wo say na identity it that attachment ke no de obo compound ya or the Vanessa born be den e be che no and ye ka say relationship mu nsem no ye nim hobby woni hobby it ni atue mu na do so it na bi kra na fa ne so ye abayo na bibi ono so take his sites We hope for the best for Funny Face.
Yeah.
Be sure, say, as an industry person, I always say the comedy, the children's way, those time, children's park he activated, the children's father, and then your donations are or year to the homes in your man, and easy. And the poultry farms, and I call it because or be any for so nyawo Funny Face no industry. We hope say Vanessa, so one pass what fit. The chocho mucho. There's almost quite a penetration beam. Or also go bushia. Sometimes I'm penetration so to me, maybe everybody a basa. Because of Felicity Bushia being who I'll be in my day. Eddie Amount. He hope he say Vanessa Casaya on Casa is a country who free media no cacra. Now 1 year, dear no, a quail of the funny bushia for no more now. Now, Funny Face of Pen Quadi, I know he'll be up there. Oh, bueno. Na omonti na wo ba boko
nya wo kan say mama emre mutew ntwa no sanya wo kase se Funny Face epa ema eye wo kwade se nso ye oba ni bi ansa na oba bi ebeba bonten ababa be kase bia nana Kwame oti he me offlonte nana obehwe na no post nana picture na wo che say o try mama nsan nyina hu say one nana enete ho no nana ma me hu satumi na mintumi nye
anyway
just oba why no ho say watoto nani are any okọ relationship ye no de ne nam but for obi besha da yes ade no because immediately you do that o kate
you may be off
yes o kate sam you may be off Vanessa ba wa babontin me de baby a me gina de akasa no eni I'm sure say omun tempted ye no ni nuanum social media for here sisi he ya keke bia kama at a point me Funny Face I have known me yakete na and na me Funny Face so he's like a brother I know who he is for him to have gone through what he went through na ebiene or ma bontin sheda mekasai I know how he's so fond of kids and how on Vanessa at a point be na yehu senya net I'm sure say they've learned their differences
okay
nana anya saint.
Oh, on cast what he's saying, but what I'm saying is, Nana, we are one me tell the lines, na say the lines no what 2 money because I never go high or sometimes you be memo hana boni bia e ko boni normally no say I say a try na you refi but na pick it from whatever circumstances be to that point. And what they chen adwina fa ho eno ti no to ma yen so say yen adwin bia no yen fa to let's also respect the next opinion.
Okay. All right, Nana.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. I say boy life and then I want to be. You know you chum sugar in your chum. Bitter. Okay, and you know Bisabi branded one kra ya branded foforo e wo Onua TV. Na a musical show. Na sisi ano yede hwentia kakra, prekasa kakra. Nye prekasa wo ha ono ofie. E furu gbesu ba san kra wa de didi ada yin na sa na meka. We prekasa yede to nkwan mu. Yede wusa kakra, de ginger kakra wo no. Nti sisi abisa bi Monday ye launch it for kra with Ohemaa champoma. Na Monday no ebe pinso e wo Onua TV. My baby 11K na dem na obtwe ge kokko kama 10 gram o tum say yes bibia kama pa yeah bibia sa ade say e mo de pa ade
no girlfriend more money no boyfriend no worry
until Monday be 11 a.m. on Onua TV coming to you live.
Someone want to cheer. 95.1.
Funny way for prison.
Finally
I mean,
say she no want
Abba.
no I'm happy I am no girlfriend no money.
The guy is happy. Funny Face is happy. We are moving on to our next topic. Now, next topic in here. Recently, most of our artists, I'm planning say they want to have a tour. You want to have an event outside Ghana. Now, it turns out that as a Obia a cancel idea. And picking it from the angle of Alodia, who is CEO of Alodia Promotions, CEO of Ghana Music Awards UK. He is also saying that and I say, event be outside Ghana, say you don't involve the man. Now say, involve other nationals be automatically no event no enkoye. It's an event in Puna. You might not be able to get the needed winner now open. And then you share from this angle say, is it true say as a Ghanaian show outside Ghana and say European tour US, do you necessarily need a Ghanaian promoter to help you? Let me start this from Kojo Prekudankwa. Kojo.
Morning.
Morning.
First off, I think that cancelling of events normal.
Okay.
It keeps happening. It will not stop today or tomorrow. Any reasons are more a cancel. Events. Others are we become force majeure that really stops. Shows. Even football matches, finals, to be stopped because of heavy rains and all. So, if for instance, people call events in as a Oyaria, why not? So it's necessary. Says an autono answer with me akotoaso. Obi any issues with ticketing and I say if it's a someone show no to me a call down. You understand? Inti Nema bebree and a day Sanya Manina Eba. Therefore, I don't see as when sorry I'm not theater.
As a battery onya we
also so munejina
e bidru
also so munejina
I want to so munejina
maybe so munejina I'm say ever ready na woni. Okay, I'm ready battery.
Yes, of course.
Minimum say go hostel there.
Would have said in system.
Maybe no. Oh, okay. But also munejina ento so. So therefore, Emma Bibrinano nya issues with that. Say obi so kwakoye event outside the country. Or the any daswo our de kwakoye sa event no. And that is what we need to understand. Obi an sorry keke so kwakoye event Abuja na Zamanoni without a focus, a mission and a vision. Maybe nipa no kono or because or per se or attract a certain kind of people within that spectrum. No, you understand? It is a Meko UK crana say Mekwakoye event. Na say my target and my mission with my team, to attract the pure whites. That is my vision, and that is where I want to go and do what I want to do. Therefore, so because say one family so and I say obey event or baby, especially probably maybe in the UK, one family so I don't buy that because answer no bebano, they've had a lot of events. Answer this promotion. Okay, so let me speak to it. Alodia's promotion.
Alodia.
There has been other promotions WOHO normal or my juma far better than what he's doing or probably continuing the good works of the others. Because the Kojentries, the Lumbers, the Rexomers, Amachi the Days, the Rex Chenfis, all those people have done serious events beyond UK that has been successful. People have gone to Caribbeans and it's been successful. People have gone to even the West African countries and it's been successful without even an organizer coming from there. Again, maybe an person therefore attaching myself to it to say that one family so and I say BBA NKG, it is understandable because you also want to sell your promotions. But indeed, you are not the whole wisdom with this space. Omo call UK Ball, O2 Arena and all that the said filling of these areas and all that, were they coming from another promotions area? I'm asking a question. omo koye, you know, did they pass through a foreigner who is probably a Nigerian who is classic and good when it comes to events and a far more nah. I'm only asking questions. So you cannot 100% say for sure that you want to be the only one or SSL fire so answer what to me I am. If I'm playing for Ghanaians community, I will chrome one. Why not? I could probably turn to you to say Boame, na yenye, and I say me the best say yenye. Worst scenario, I have seen gospel artists on my UK because I have been there who never used anybody. They used a church, Pentecost Church or Assemblies of God or something, and they had a successful event at our church premises. It was done perfectly. So anybody who has lived in UK for a long time, I'm not too sure if he's doing his events, he needs to connect with a certain kind of names that we are mentioning before they do all those events. Again, just like we have in football, which is equally entertainment, check all your players. How many of them uses local promotion or local managers or local scouters or local people who do their jobs for them?
No. All of them are foreigners.
Good. Even if they have local people, they still have international people who scout for. When the seasons are on, they scout for them to find certain places to play. You understand? Oko Malta. Malta is a small area. Yet, when it comes to tourism in the whole world, they are part of, I could say, the first 10 or maybe the first 20.
Yeah.
You know why? They don't have anything, but they have scouters. That is the vision and mission of that tourism ministry or probably the creative art within Malta. Their decision is that, but we have what it takes people to come to our country to come and shoot movies. Inti omo scouters, omo kwa bonting, eko fan krofoba. Therefore, chunk of the movies are what show Krum Hanum anywhere saying nano.
Hollywood.
See a catcher will say, this kind of movies, if you Malta, you will not believe it. Sembad and all those movies, those popular movies in here, were shot in Malta. So you understand? They have scouters who do it. Then they had a mission to say that they are bringing the same scouters to Africa to come and scout and learn as to how things will be done. Now, okay, what they said, they are saying, they are giving people money, accommodation to come to, for instance, Ghana, to come and see what we do. And then they fell on probably wider picture, the ministry, to see what they want to see. And, you know, for people to tout themselves to say that, say, I'm famous, into me, maybe it's the Ghanaian community. And Ghanaian community, because of Koto Crowd, friends in UK near year. Let's follow the track and check the kind of tour that they go. Either they go for some parties or some clubs, small clubs, to go and stand there and have fun and then move out. But in Nigeria, you catch us all Kotoa. Well, we need to tour now here, so they make sure no. So beefy. So it tells you the kind of people who are ready and prepared. I mean, even at that particular place, person or no. If people, for instance, check their your friend is saying more analysis now where you're online or more streaming music, People go to certain places to go and play, not because they think that they want to attract you, the locals people there. No. They go there because they want to attract a certain kind of people. So if he checks his things and then he says that Kenya for made number one when it comes to maybe Spotify, and then I want to have an event there, it is not because I'm coming for you, the Ghanaian and as a menu number one or Kenya. It's not because I'm coming to you, the Ghanaian. I'm coming to the Kenyans. Therefore, I need somebody who knows the Kenyans or who knows and understands the international act to do it. The same applies to people who wants to do your friend is saying movies and they want to premiere. Yenti Krumana NFA, National Film Authority say they're going to do premiering at Dubai.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, it failed. Even though it failed, but the point is that they should have used somebody within the space to understand the focus of why they are going there to go and do that particular.
This almost they couldn't liaise with maybe a Ghanaian promoter there. And then maybe I don't know.
So it means that they didn't have any focus. What was their focus? What was their mission? To go and premiere the movie there for who to watch what? If it's just a Ghanaian, then put it on the internet for them to watch. But if you really wanted the money, you wanted the business, you wanted the investment, then you don't need to be using those people unless that person has a track record that otumi eye enema sebi ebroso. Other than that, I don't see why people should think that to be a baby na so when you sue then there's a disaster. But by and large, like I said, Obi cancel event is not a problem. I know, yeah, but I think Jackie had done
Jackie
that.
cancelled, Kiddy cancelled, and
yes.
Kiddy and Jackie cancelled on the basis
and
of
Jackie
health issues.
gave reasons with health issues and all. And I think that if it's health issue and yet any other business, yeah, I think it makes sense.
Okay, Ohemaa, let me take your view on this issue concerning Ghana for you say a show na and show na maso ebia obi o promote my and na man koye ntisi ano I say you hold no on kakra I say you train kakra sa na man what do you think we can do better as an industry?
As an industry, I'm say my dream check kakra and say oh kasa na o kasa a lot there now o ka bibi say
omamfa event na am for mo so sometimes you know it is most likely say omo event either it will be cancelled or it will fail.
Say okasa omo amfa omo so I'm sure he's not limiting it to him
alone. He's talking about Ghanaian promoters.
More outside.
More outside.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, say be a mimeti hey. Na me nua bi ana madam fu bi pe kwan aba bewura ana so oba pese oba be ye forecourt ha say no e the event. Na o pese oba be hwese nia oba be ye wo ha say bia wo display products ni ade na say nkofo beto ana so omunya. Me sure so oba na bia mini ho no be hwehwa misty. Ana ohu antaro no bi se bisa no betuma chen o da bi if you also say forecourt ha say inside ha say no bi be hu say bia TV3 ana media journal da bi kojina ni mu ho no mo so ye. So I am thinking, says, yeah, a lot there. I can't say, Uncle Muba before almost swat. To me, I'm siding with him because who could be my so aqua baby. Na say one gasa ukro ni e wo honum. Na at least no no. It's your own one gasa na aqua wadi, but then obi a ono so ye inside person. I no so ho na say o de kokotune no no so rere. I'm sure say if nyomoka obi beka say obi so oyare enu ntiti no and I went to me and whatever event and I'm sure say it's just I don't know it could be so the brabra used because if there's an amount of tickets beer excess or ton but on no so na feedback ni ade anko for the mama no it's not that means me kon kujina simply so nyenu ngase so any ma me pekwan bi na me nka say there be I am not feeling well and I said yeah due to some one or two reasons. And it's just like he is saying no. Say in for more organizes programs like that. So name event organizers be or more on my it could be there, but if they liaise with them, almost as soon as they are able to sell their whatever.
Okay.
Let's say a quote as much as they want. I'm sure say a bit to me also.
All right. Okay, nice one. 95.1 Onua FM. That's Onua Showbiz. Now Franklin Ejekumwa. Frank, yen share from this angle. One thing this ebia from the way our Lord here Casano, they want to have that monopolized kind of attitude. Nika crack. Say utum define one fan fire so ebia kwen so enam so ebetumi aboa opona de ne be ye no. Once am fa me so ne de minim pass ade we ebia bebia e kone nye bet. I'll fold my arms. Unjini says omo ya nya sa monopoly adwene kakra
da be menjindi because ye ni pasu ye na yesu e ka ye ho se wo hoi se wote adwuma ya ye wo mu se wo ye adwuma wa ha se nim so ye adwuma wa ha se ne Ohemaa ka ye se me hia obi amana boa me ewo area we mumpo even one hwe Jubilee House and Flagstaff House kwa hwe na mefro because so ben ho uno bit mama information bi ansa na my den maba me feel say the alodia e ka no enye se oka atu ne ho but me feel say oka collaboration ho asem sana me madwene ye me because mahunu no baby bebre say alatafo okoye program wo baby even on my mu ha so mo ba ha baby bia utwu mu tan a ode ne nipa ka ho apart from so ode ono ne promoter ebeba no osan hwehwe promoter bi a owa ha ote aha ene ma ase
okay
eye dey e ka ho ansa na o ma ye nti collaborative asem na me feel say alodia e kan nyese chinchina acho be ya ade a fa brand ma ne nye da bi be ya sure so person kire say waye bi da nko ono so nim terrain no onim ntokuru a nkofo ebetimi ewura but you see the alodia kan ye no me ne ya adwene e wo kwan bi so me de adwene etu nyansa ho wa ha the eta make us ne say oka based on baby a yenso yankofo ne ba omo be ye omo events a eye ne territory na eye baby of so onim ne eye koso wo ho me nya sure say eye Liverpool na Jackie ye kwa akobo a nka Lord abeka say yenye den ye fa nka wo chinchina achi na nka o de fa me so a me ye sure say eye baby omo kobo no eye baby ono fo say onim ho onim ne esi wo ho onim de betimi aye den esi wo ho onka say wan fa no so enye yie wan kasa o say emre pii no eye a o de fa wo mo so a na eye den ebe ye yie eye muka brofo bi say eye conditional hwan
statement
me da se wo ho wo enti sabe nipa ne ka asem a utie no nyansam no de adwene afa ho no ahwese beboa wa no aye den na wafa of course ye bra kojo ka ase bi oye promoter enti ko anya de mo promote ne ho obe promote ne ho ke so tia o de ogina hoyi ware ene now ex bi nti say
ya ware ni film na fa
go so ware
for example
the person ware
asa ware no kreni na nisu bi
say otieti nkofo nkomo no de bo ne bra
I don't know your bonko koma na as wa yeah example a ware na the example
it can never den anya
never be wa between the example now and we never be good to me
wa ware sem de gumi trim ka menya de
na say na me ma ware sem good
you know kwem wa asem ya o kan o timi ka bi o wa untwa no fo o so se o mare eju be ye da du wa du fu no baka konum
e mo de into the end
eti se nipa na ye bi da na sabi onim kwan no na okase wo anka aha de ka wo bala pass ka wo fa abeka mu anka be yeti a eno ncha se de bia fa abeka obetu akofa nima akopie la pass obetu akofa ka so a apie la pass but onim ne oka but odwene ne oka no so ho eto asum hwew me ka sembu wa ha se Jay-Z abaga nada
yeah
obaga no yesho se ni Prometheus nka ho the scout o de ma US president emma kromu ha efi baby eti airport ekosi baby obeda ni nkrofo nko a na ejina ho officer dey ntina band sa other officer ha ye ni security service ye wo eti the lord ye kan eto asum but oye promoter so promote no ho wanya akwanya no
okay
enka eyobi na nya asa akwanya yankobo storybook akobechro so ti ase eti media menene ya adwene e wo kwan bibre so enye kwan ni na so but me madwene mu no oka ne oka no based on baby aya yam crofo no be di djuma because onim me sure so nim djumadie na e wo ho no se ne yete yam crofo no so omo pe ekwan bi so no omo emma yen ho enkambom wo hwe se risked eba Ghana so obeye event ontimi nka nche me se ni promoter nka ho ontimi nka nche me salata ni bi enka organization no ho
omo
very good
yeah omo
very good eti there a lot there can me ne ya adwene eniema bebre sisi pen out of experience no they can the all can the same a lot am ye sure so obeye event to Ghana ha obepe Ghanaian promoters ni bi no de omo ho afore because on ti kromu ha what you say it's normal but when it comes to the cancellation of events no na menya say because yan for monka ho ntina cancellation here the eba mu no it could be anything it could be mood swing say me sorry I no pay na me ni mood ni mu a untimi nya mehwe o de me ka what you say ya tenka e na ese me koda na di e kire nipa na mani nyi a me da koma ni je it could be sickness nipa nkwa untimi ubetimi atoka e na free showroom ufa ndru fie na asai eye fidie how much more dasani say bi say ohumie esizi within a second ohumti e bete wo no eti cancellation of event there emfa promoter ho na emfa individual ho a circumstance which it can be
anything
bra can say focus say force majeure a bit me see e wa ha yi e bit ba say o ye na yemra jubilee house magiska upie sesi anu nika ni so to a waso be hye enu so na obi na ahye wow enti bibia timi si
na say me ko jiska na so to say me fam so no mako
wan wo wadwen kire obi so be ka say iso ni be gu me ho obi a wo ni excuse
onyeska
enti atenka ene honam ene nkwa nyamkopon kwa na betimi akire mu nsem na mmom no se enka yebenya emre na beso na wahu no se ade we de enye yi a amono mu ho antempa so
okay
no wa yi asotire oh se ne miti ye me ye de anhwa a ochena menya sure se metimi abeye program no enti ene me ho mfa me ochenya me ya adom na me ho befa me ametimi aba but se mre de ye mfa nkonkon ho se chopper bi wo ho amon fa nche me
event ni bi wo so omtumi konkon ho till date it's still like konkon ho
is because of the nature of what cancelled the event sankoye sikasam na ye nipa nkwa and security and whatever we need to look into it but ni na mo na meka no se unya ntiye ne ntemu a ema unya arehyiemu
ebi mu wo so a omo ntumi anton the needed tickets
and I say e nema bebre
nti se me fa ne se me kwa boy event to UK na say me ton ticket about maybe 2000 na bia matumi aton only 500 do you think the event na say still a make obo
it depends tie if you invested $1 million in an event and you couldn't sell tickets now what on 20 tickets you be say Kwame obebo
it's you
I don't want no proposal. Well, it time say niema ekom my cancel event.
I notice na allow the no susu say. Se ba ne say event bia ye ton ticket. Ye no ye na wo kromontini. We can help you. Ye betu ye ni be fa so a betu ama be ton.
Ni na me kire o say. The oka ye na me ne adwo okwan bebre so. O ti ase. Me ne adwo okwan bebre so. Ba nye ni na na kire say ye ticket nti. It time me say ade no a esi kwanti a ade no yentimi nya no se enye nature na amanasi na yenim ne yenti esi a amono mo ho na esi etimi ka ne ntem eyesi kasemu ene atenka hwe Michael Jackson no wa rehyiemu wa hoden na adwene mu o ese obetimi aye ni program mpempen so ni duru ho no na ayeden nia onim se akoedie enkenya ne yare ana bibi ankobeba no o se ticket ne kra me me de to oda achi bi oni ho a me dey reference o me kura me to ticket ni bi o fo so ko twen ma D-Day ni no kan asem an beti ase common ti ase ba isa ase yen ye de ade bi ahye ye tirim so se ofum nipa na o kase sorry kaka na bibia apopa enti no ye nipa bone a ye nwene ho enti e betwa ya last minute ya begina etiefo ahwefo yesremu o
we dem
fanche yen say abadi yenya ne saa o sa na yetimu wa ha eti wo say so from me a na akogina so dem na o kase Awurade fam bone che so nya Awurade bone bia ye me na wo from me na yeso ba me ho na o be ka kire me se me jemu a na wo ni nyame entam aye fan so wo say na de net ya eti se hu pempenso na ebema ade ne nyeyie entam a and most of the time ye hunu ba ibu ya nigu so
okay
it is so hunu na pa ho che etiefo misremo ye yadwen so okene nwumre ye ba ye hwese ne weda na ye no a anhwa na anya dai amaso ye sremo sa amaso amon fa nche yen da foforo ye be kire mo da ade ne be da ba so wo a wo ticket bia no so hwe na untimi entwen a frɛ number we na beje usika wo betimi so atwen ye hyeda no a ye be ma wo ne asa ma drink aye den ape so nipa beti ase.
Okay.
Eti niema bebre but say dey adwene to nyansa ho So you have to do something. People will take advantage and promote themselves around it.
And yeah, obi promote pa.
I know there's a bicycle home for only free.
I don't know.
Let me hear now from so brother found one idea. Make us say now me didn't do a match for mom. He did
What's
And then the
happened?
Okay. 95.1 me pato nipa yete nkan sia no. Your friend Franklin Ejekum. Ono your former manager.
Michelle. At least for once.
Nipa tene wan se ompe o.
At least for no. Cynthia.
Oh, your former manager. Former manager that the Lumba. And you know, Obranja Queen that's it. Yanko mention it. Adjoa. Nana Adjoa Suki. Adjoa, Misusu say on. Sometimes, you know, ebia unity any young Ghanaians na yewo kromani Ghanaians or more abroad no. Onje ni say no counting obi kwa ko bonu show about your fellow dabi. Me anka bit my akoya madie. I don't need Alodia, I don't need Akwaba. I don't need anybody.
But that's unity common everybody any other vex. Nana cancellation of events anyhow abeja for kind in any news. Na they be an person a throwback akra. They have an event they are joined to for and say you create people almost create back in the diaspora. I work here we were here when Sakode had the Indigo event years back. We're here when Achame and Shatawale went to Indigo, the same thing. It was packed. We saw every news and air go viral about it. Yawaha and Black Sharif was also there and also packed the place up. Now, the opener say, I still want to put the question out there. Events on we na meaning say shut at the end na ashi gown. Ashi Boogie Down Nima.
Yeah.
Ashi you know that
guy. Yeah.
Promoters
I know him.
Okay, and that we need to know that why that come and it was successful. We said her way back, meaning say TikTok, KK Fosu were packed on a show with Alodia promotion. Meaning I the same Ghanaian na omoya tag. Na kojo ka say with the Ghanaian community. And Ghanaian community be called but Ghana for ya na na for. I bet you do omo akojo bet you a Cuban na me de na ko because o hwe videos na abrofo gum. Almost one more enjoy omo. Now, ebeba ne saying na Ghanaian artists in the management ebeka say me call UK. Na mean seeking for UK confirm your event. There be, I mean, say one for more cry, so kunya ideas. Akwaba UK, Dennis, I bet you have more idea. Consultation fee na move chiana ebia moyana because me feel say idea bia say man be kan wo bia e was say be consultation there. O so me.
Yeah, of course.
E wi ase obi ani ho beka say me twi me kwa ma abamen TV ntafre. Na me dem wo se nchini wo mu. So ho. E don't niam keten bi me feel say selfish interest be brain greediness and amani ma bi say timi si. But of feel say percentage be say 5% nko han we na omum bia punum na omum beka ho enye partnership. They can give you ideas. They can give you even an event place. A hand and crofo back to me. Area where the crofo said, Emma. The ideas that there was someone engage you more. It's a lot of promotion was right. On car says, send a music and I say, Casa dear, or how Casa will be how or be fairly comfortable to make statements out of Casa. What I say. But when it's awfully say, some of the ideas now catch up with us. Now, yes, we are there. Yen be a nika crying and now. We take it in. I can't event. They be make us say, "Omo mo hon me Ghana hanum." You need say June July. Ghana obi any say June July. They so to an ede. It's an no event. Ben what say kroma. Catch them. A big company be. And what is a chat house for amount event? A be indoor pe. Indoor on the crowd one best on so. Because only say so the crowd but too much and for ma. Ghana hanum so crowd talk cry and time kwa juma. The same thing now the diaspora. About the UK from January February no December into March. I winter time. I won't. Then yeah, but it's not all America. About the summer, so dear, summer crowd the ticket crowd board because people want to have fun. Away where we are now. All these things are ideas from the grounds until we be there. Now say so the climax they change it.
At any time.
Oh yes. Say Australia crowd way no weather way no I change kakra. The last time 2 years ago me come make say Ghana boy dua. 2 years ago so check Ghana na June July in Suanto eto before June July. June July they react them. It's what they know your plan now be a mistake. Weather forecast for crowd be your show crazy or comment. I'm telling you.
Me the kit will be can what there. E just shares you Canada. US for the effect. E just share you. Esi wo Canada. US for the enya effect because of imisi. Ama ye catch them for so much said them and I say nose mask. It's funny so we event one ko fa mba o de be say wan.
E just share.
Nana what no that's the point.
Yeah.
It me feel say they always they we say obi a say nyanse ni ba ko for trim. But events be it depending on the kind of target audience no matter your music but still like, you need a target audience and audience and osa eboru mu anana ye wo krom ha and na ye de na ye nwanwa ye krom ha and na ye say you're champion upon champion Nigeria well hit it UK wa ye Apollo Theater na ye kika ho Westgate wa be cancel the show stadium ha
we do Ghana ha na book
there be ohun so akojina say gina so opo numbers house kai me ko je record we ya wa hanom ne enuma na elbo so pa buga Daniel one cancel the show here's Daniel one cancel the show
yeah of course
what are you talking about he said doesn't about sometimes and found no his song no eduma no grassroots like just like election obu ha ni din the day politician we dey populate minia be see MP na ne yire kran botu ama no it is sana events so here den etie one say Akwaba UK the party in the park. Did you see Nkrofo a omo enjoy ofram for nsani keke fusu na busa ho so omo his song was that way
omo ready to crash
yes almost so omo me ho dey den yes so now omo enyum ye viral the crowd dey jira so but I'm telling you say obi anim how the whole kind of say clapping applause here dey e call for it ni na ye grandem over grande na mo abomo de na management omo biem kakra ebi mu close gap no dodo ye close gap sa o
stingy I na omo stingy na
na ye su kakra bi o mu normally no bebre o ho omo pesa I mean sure they close the gap not because say stinginess no ho but bebre na ye su ni ye ban nye it was no crash of Emma Frank be bu nkofo bebre o team ni oh yes and until no only ya because on also the position as a manager no or protect it
because me kai say whiskey DA industry ni big catcher me say I think 2 days to the event okay cham say Kwame event we emfa na brother no say the way omo organize ade no for the wo ha wo mu say emfa nti ade na anwe ne say na me friend no say I told you because there were certain people they in Nkasa come involve them.
That's the whole thing. What I say, you know, I say even event organizers in terms of media, how the media promotion so called. What's Obiana make us Obiani how the show be only say bebe bo Onua FM and Crawford of Onua FM. It's Onua. Na sanko phones on beba show we. Omo no type pemenyom. Omo no pay me movie because we premiere on beden on beba. It's niama bebe ha was say what planning a year. Na ofa no matter what nana ya mo yo ho ho baby akro bi aberem bia ya ho na oten ho ade ayo ho
of course
so I feel say with health na dey obi abeka say we can always pardon health say na ni ya na last week na nyame ya adom anka be premier wo show and ayare ya o da baby nye ne sanity and then nyame ayo adom a we pagya mu aba it last week no as an artist you as a presenter na anka be artist no we disappointed with panels
of course sanity
but NMC they show based on the health. Ben punk ya try ticket o health no cry bim cry be challenge. Oh yes, we make say for doctor we I'm telling you who me
doctor
Nana me say yes
me yan hwe answer.
Oh Nana me say how here soft money we bro. Look at some of the events I timiko. Obi timiko event. Artist ye book no or that bill na so. Artist na performing. Na ye de ebufuo. And I didn't want to perform at the end of the day tickets no they are make say obi too sick actually e dey aba be event e bia na nti na meba na nka we say na nesika no ye o why mama ye ma compensation bia ye mpa ya chow
ade se ni bi wo so a okujina no hwe crowd na ose me mbo me kofi mbisi kan so
enu nti no me say ka be say the same thing no news na akakoda internet ne so na yanka sa yankrofo no mo diaspora ne say aseme si die na no bi ade ne to so anye den wa ma iti aba ne so goto ticket kra oda ote iti ama ticket on so ye den eye den si eto this say it na sometimes obi so your video na wakasam anampo say oba country no 3 days before the event now we call within stations be mienu miensa bi no hot fm say us now na wakasam ni hu sam ko be dru kro nim enye sam to ticket ene depending on a sawa dey which e dey ato on that particular artist.
Okay.
I can't last one. I can't wait.
Okay.
Yeah, mama, share your way of promoting events. A key. Share. Westgate show be last 2 years. It's the last 2 years and not last year. No, you were UK. Okay. Or the 1 year and 2 tickets. No. I say early bird. Would you have $50 or something? But trying a month to the program, they would almost 1,000. It's can who say or decided about 2 hours? 2 months to the program, I turn and take it a year. It or you rest assured say so or you arrested the or be one hope and abe just send here abrofo no omo event cause yamfa football yamfa to or say o support to Chelsea if we January go see December Chelsea both 52 matches o person ba Chelsea home matches na a seasonal ticket o me to ticket ba ko pe e me dwan yaso season ticket no 10,000 what you yaka e ba ne say Kwame utifie o upe o mpo so to so anto ticket no seat no anko e da ho it you be forced
auto ticket in there and
by yen hwe yen future masters over here na ya salary free conference center ni mo apie chese yetimi salary na akopie
yenie the legend
because e pese hu cash sika no e pese de it was a gate na obi atua na oje ne nsesa na
a delay time
eno edi enya kese it's a better no bit na ton ticket dodo e better na obenya no pa dodo e wo program na say
yeah that's true
wow me can we based on kromu ha me kan about kromu ha e kwa fa so ton your tickets and it's kwa fa so a whole institution media house e ka so me the case Daniel Eba how am we e bia na me okumase me pese me ba and mo asonkore me pese me ba how did the promotion go masa ko for discovering room be di okromo o ti ase ba hwe be a center ye promotion
yeah
any say ye nema so it ye share the kind of promotion we do to an event how are you turn your tickets mama ye hwe sa nema no because me wa hai e bia na na me twa bet no me di no china na metima to ticket there but o share ma se de daada e bia keske na me be twa bet no kam de to ticket le to ho.
Okay, nice one. That was opening the unya kojo prako studio be rest assured say kojo nchude ni abebo unya sick so be rest assured say obolumba na head ni abolumba so we the rebranding, the new version, everything bibia jembi but it's actually a musical show this and around the name wurewurem ya tumu nchine na nchine umbet ya nchine kakaka on ya the prex kakra hwente kakra ginger kakra jinde kakra ati ase na garlic kakra dia wono na Monday enye fedi agoro kroma say o nu TV 11 am kene dem na Ohemaa champama am toge bi pa no fe pa o sanse kokko ade ase on sheda nye isa amanfo de obia kakra gunya TV so na ade a we nu twa bra Facebook na behwe Ohemaa champama that's right I'm right I'm come kakra be you chat ba Kwame SBCB launch fresh one cry 11 a.m. on Monday Ohemaa champama o so no na o hwe ne picture na ye de ye ato kena se chenka krada no kom na we no so ho aye kakra ade ase on say we no asha that one oye kakra na dia enu fo ne kama pa Me say me ka why say maka. I don't know say come on. It's a purple. Purple so there. The more the pa. That is it. Man say any more the. Me man say any more the pa. Ojo pre e kala pa no purple. That is it. Bema only love with dinner purple. Only love with dia red is out of just. Okay, so back to the studio. In 24. Yamo akwaba biem. Me pese ye hwe asem wei. Nanse ya asem mi si yo achimotamo. Abrante e fe no akabeneza. Ye na obi apena asem mi say me feeling the skit ni ade from a Rasta man, from a gangster in a movie to become a comedian. That's swift. All of us were happy for him, and the guy is doing so well. When it comes to skate, he's doing so well. But recently, Oba Achimotamo try one of the skates maybe understands that no if fear or do said in now so much as skating. And I understand say authorities in this Dabi won't be permission. And so yeah, man won't come won't try any video. We won't allow you to film there. And a cabinet and then in Crawford say, hey, it took up a hand here. A public place, that least you see a film here. You have to allow us. And I overheard him saying that Sebronia and come on man koyana in the video na meet and I overheard him saying that Bronia and I said a foreigner come on man koyana. Now let me start off from Ohemaa. Ohemaa. Is it right, sir? Obeko obi premises. So me pese me try mfoni kakra. Is it right, sir? Obeye na umbisa nipa no.
I won't say I Ghana 40, but oh, Kwakoye BB, Nanya Wankasa Ufie Nati. Even Ufie Crampo, nay ye now obey yam. Did you say assembly no, a so cuckoo home, an amboa. Sometimes a year be on not blocky route. A Ufie and but no fear quite a hot as a so be something where any dieno, a so the more way, a fata, so the mamma. Ni who stay video no a call round or social media no. I was like, wow, beginning no. Na me pese me hu nearby and reading comments no I came to understand say me anese wo mo ye say at least o mbe kwa ko hu mpanimfo a wo mo e ho ye shop right achimota mo right
yeah achimota mo
mpanimfo na wo ho no ke say o mo ko hu wo mo but wo mo they felt say it was a normal thing because I want a public place nti o mbe tumi akwa ko gina ho no mo aye ni o mbe so mo e no na ma security man no e ben o mo so o mpene ko ye but me de ni ye mu a obia utwa se bia efie kura uti mu a wo de wo say one or two sika akwa rent at a very high sometimes if you be ho kwa ka say wo se dem ho kala na you need to see your landlord mbacho we dan say mo ni blue pese me ye mu
kadaro man kamiyanka
ono ansa no want dan mu bi na ka cho say there be anase an because it doesn't belong to you intino media me esesenka omukonom kuku because baby o site say abrofo na nya eyi no nkwa omo ankasa kra na eka comment no so read
the crew no
abrofo bi mo ka Ghana ye hwehwe ni mu no level na e wo na nya because it's true there are times that me to kwan ameba do airport immigration obetumi ahwe wo du na ye black a ukrom ni no obetumi ama wo nyoma na ho ne nsi mu but won say white person will be passing na say
on feeling cry on say chim I say ko
no ama ase ye no ye tirim no oh Ghana de ye betumi afa bibia atochocho until I'm sure say omo excited that but the right way they should have gone and their production people that's why a production manager and as a road manager e wo ho no so omo kokoko so omo kwakoye omo rescue so omo kwakoye den e so omo kono omo baba be ma feedback no so ya kwani penifo wa ha say no akasa sisiketua bi wo ho no mu a esese na omo nsusu na benim corner and I say area omo feel say ho no ne bia ni panche den twam ho bebre so it's safe for you to take your because e bia na make na obi akofo obi kunu ana obi girl bi ni twam na camera ekokoto no nsusu dey asem fra be so for them to have reacted say any kwan say
okay
omayo mujuma it's the right thing next time no mo ko be ombe tutu omo yo me yanso mako
all right kojo my is it Say me a celebrity. Ghana phobia name. Doesn't mean that make me a family camera to me come work with baby as a me film me a video na because I'm known. And then at least allow me to operate. Is it right that way?
Hey, Jimmy. Yeah. I know God so many name.
If you see this,
Kojo, enyo no nko a.
Oh, okay.
E ya hwema e kwan mo fa so microphone.
Okay.
E tell mu nka wo mo nsem.
akono pa.
Me say,
amaso microphone ma.
Ma e kwan mo fa so. E so microphone. E mu nka ne nsem. Da.
Wow. Akono.
Because technical man be so secret dey no na e wo so secret so mu.
So mu ana ni na
oso mu na misro se be bu aka ne nsem. De bi a odi ahoden bi e pia.
But mu na I firm.
Secret so mu. Asa microphone ti kasa.
Beneje ko.
Okay, so Nana Kwame, I think first of all, the mechanism per answer na me the man away no. I think say Jimmy Sabi. Nyansa kakra na say the to Juma na.
Jimmy say na
Jimmy.
I'm a star.
We Jimmy. I mean, we are stars saying. We've sat in London where I mean Prime Minister it's a red lighting. Ejina no e man ticket. Oh yes, one star. Jimmy cry. Yeah. Mami can say Mitchell. Some years back in this country, we had one Nigerian guy, Bia. I've forgotten his name, maybe Mubaka Kennedy, very tall guy. Otana Ghana Hachepa. I don't know whether he's still in Ghana. Hans, that's the name.
Hansenuku.
Yes. We woke up one morning with some useless noise on the Sphinx Road.
Yeah.
The next time, movie. It was on Daily Graphic.
No much movie.
Adenya Ultra movie. And the police were stopping into Wedja. Production crew for Nedja say, I didn't know mucha movie. Na nyansa de nyansa mo nim bi say dede na mo yo street kwan so ni nyama na mo ye no enkrofo fie wo ho two you don't even have any permit, so therefore the wo ye no nyansa bi enim into kwasiasem na wudi ni sabi, but they had the audacity to think that they had what it takes to do what they are doing. Oba shopping mall de na ye kan wasem na. I think that the police were 100% right in stopping them. Obi Jimmy Crank is almost seen as soon.
Hey.
Or yes, steady, of course, because discipline will lack in the space. You are on some, and you are telling me it's a public place to who? You.
All of us.
Remember, public place which is owned by somebody. You can't go to Independence Square just because it is a public place for you to go and shoot. You cannot do that.
Obi cite example say make meal eba
Jubilee House. Obi try video Jubilee House. But any pono. No. With that pono. Permission was asked.
So, of course, I heard some of them even saying those things. Those were the allegations were. But first of all, we should understand that police did the best they could do, and that they are right in exercising their duty. Therefore, I have no problem with them. What our movie makers should also understand is that sa baby in as much as ofo say a public place, it is open to the public, but the entities that are there are owned by private people who are making money before you came there to see it as public. Therefore, they need to be notified, okay, and understand that say ena ebabe koso ewa hano wintini se muhu bibi say ya, don't panic, don't think that obi babe ye bibi, because you see they have people who are also there to also spend time. Who told you those people want to spend their time? Who told you say nipa no ma betina hono no, they want to be in your movie? That takes me to another discussion that movie makers in this country, some, and I have to qualify it, some of them will have to understand. They say, Mami Ocha movie aba. They have something they call extras, extra. Those people, even when you go to their own ASOC, when you use me to shoot movies, you need to put my name there for me to get credit and get things in your movie. Yeah, do you understand?
Yeah, of course.
Good. So you enter a premises. People's private cars are there. People are passing without their knowledge that you are shooting them as part of your movie because I didn't be them. What are you trying to say? Because you're planning to it is not done. Yes, Romo. 3. ShopRite is a brand. Okay? I have not said Branabitran because I need popularity, so therefore come and shoot me and put it in your skits or whatever you want to do. But it is my brand. What if I don't want my brand name to
appear in
your skit? And you're by force. So when I see it, I can even sue you because you didn't even then ask me permission to use my brand. Therefore, branding is key.
You need a clearance.
You understand?
From the people before you
little things we should be looking at. Other than that, we'll have challenge. I heard them. I think the man himself, Akabeneza, and some few other people saying that. They try movies and then using their faces to make it look more or less like you like you asking in case you see a more I can't there's some more sorry. But it is not done like that. Because you are John Mahama doesn't mean that when you enter ShopRite you should pick a cake and eat and go away because you're a brand or a celebrity.
I didn't say more there. I said to next week.
So run quickly to a issue of where they were attaching the issue of Bruni Bakroma Kra, Akucha Jubilee House and all that. They forget the fact that Sebi Nipa no call in as much as the person went there with a permit or invitation by the president himself.
Yeah.
President allowed, whether the daughter or no daughter, president allowed somebody to come and talk about or use the place to film. That is, there was some form of discussion that went on. I'm asking, what form of discussion went on for them to get it? I think that this one should open up argument for us to understand that we lack certain things in this country. And hard-time artists and movie makers and the industry players should start learning the policies and businesses of this way.
Okay.
Sabi, Sankewo, your friend is saying, how do you call it? Villages. As we call film villages and all those things. These things wouldn't be happening. Exactly. My point. Should rather be fight for those things. We are not fighting for them, but when we enter people's private compounds, we expect them to give us the leeway to say that they should do what they do.
That's it. If you have a biaba in so bonopa moaba late. Defia, the order my mama 1 minute.
Oh, and that's why I'm cranky.
Oh, okay, 2 because your time now, okay. Almost your time. Okay. Okay. We have 5 minutes. Yanko.
Good.
We have 5 minutes. Yanka Akabeneza Dieno.
Yanka Akabeneza
Diena Batuso because Nianti Amaseka Akabedan say. Wo no if you are a filmmaker.
Yeah, I'm a filmmaker.
Yeah, you are a filmmaker. And me ba o kwa akotwa movie and I kwa akotwa skit and I person of film baby. Oh sorry, ya who environment to be no akojina wana.
There be my minche tie for you now. Me can say I'm very sorry. Me are very disciplined when it comes to time. Yeah, but we don't.
In so na to anything.
And nsuo no o de hye nsuo ni sa we ka say wo abrocha snow anka be fema kwa adwuma nsuo no late na na maye we are very sorry eti abusuafo mo fa nche me na ye ka eye filmmakers ho ensem ni ade no menim say filmmaker bi eni ho be sorry prekope akọ baby say a high location ba be shooting movie just last week this thing happened e wo me estate mo na small boys bi ni girls bi mo so mkita tripod bi ne camera cheap camera bi no mu da be see your lane so ye camera lane no na ntina me pie e na me hu say omu gina ho as girls no as on be so omu shoot bibi o lane so nti wana mbi so omu say e na me frɛ ba ko so ombro ba na me say dia na mo pese mo ye omu so ye twa skit e na me so mu busa ahwan omu say ye mi so obi a na me say mo remu no mu say security gina gate gate community omu say ai e na me say nti mo busa ahwan on say patrol you muso bia and I'm saying, do you know this thing is not done and this is not the first time who bear twice
But me who be an be a me pentama ko baby or more other lame no more Chinese idea. Tell me say Hona Kwako say a free zone be on your mope. But it's not right. Can you imagine say we should skate no? My car is moving. Yes, you do my yeah, very protective of where we stay in this area. Somebody might ask you, hey, now put our him five. You have a baby na me who's in the car no.
The car name
no. Who say or nam hono. And if I area bay, oh sir, a threat, me. You get it. Tell me what will be one sem. Na me for say some na make no. I was a maker. I say nipa no say me name because me I mean me dada. Nipa name me me. No akoko baby ametia. E be yasem. I'm catch almost say I say you sales people were ha. You marketing or you PR or estate mu ha say. And it's a gated community. And you be an person make people or motor person be abunzo. Or motor why it will shock you. You be an person mu area mu ha say. And they should pack their things. They were looking at my face. You know what? Mumu name me one. Baby I make be a make mess come on your money this year. And they pack your money straight. Me do security get almost small boys be a trim almost say baby a rare moon a boys be girls. And I'm say baby shooty almost say movie was a skate was a day. Ma stop you or ma pack your money mano. Na omon follow up. Me make sure security me energy. I'm an aqua pamu or more if you. And why are DBA? I was say you take very key notice about it. You can't just walk into a premise so say you open space and you can just shoot something. The first maybe say would they say I mean challenge just say wait to try area move. No, it's not done. It's not done. Sometimes we take certain things for granted, which is wrong. What you say? And filmmakers, the fact to say we are public figure doesn't mean at that particular time, and for foreign person will that area move. But who secure? I'm catch us. Oh, shoot you on the side more.
And Obi a on share video no. You the video na to Facebook. Obi a on video no.
Mama and has one way. I have Brasia also bro has because I cabinet I withdrew no.
Yes.
Listen, and you must say and
fatal. Yeah.
We are now who say would you have to know what is right. A human no remunyane. It's by now you should know say. Yeah or not tactical location. The person doesn't just get up and go say you have a shooting where we say no, it's not done. And you should hold on, you should apologize. It's wrong. And you be premise and people send a good kind of forecast. If you know a kind of say, oh, where you must make a now more on a girl bishop. Oh, yeah, you know,
why supposing
you are cabinet, you are very popular to the extent say, oh, scared to out or be a Michelle. No affairs, and as I mean, who saw can see her say. Now, time in now where you may move. Now we are done because you never told me say, oh, cost of price.
Go find to Cabri.
It's in your ear anymore, dear. You're wrong. He needs to apologize.
Okay. Akabenaza need to apologize. It's live on Facebook. Video no I won't share any video at Facebook. Or the brand is here. Akabenaza on show. We do like Franklin Ejekum. 1 minute, Yanko.
Yeah, that was in a munyansa matchre. The mukani na enokwe. The mukani na enokwe. But you see, I dey back one the person for ashofo etiase ne say. Yanko for na ye bubo mu dia kabeleza na de ade no. Omo yankrofo bi a omo yehwehwani mu o. E kan omo ho. Se onyumtuni ana celebrity ana a star ko baby ni yanka na asemo a wanko.
Oh, so
wanko. E yade e kan omo ho de dawo. E yade a omo pe enema,
omo pe noise.
Omo pe dede. Ah, why dey try video no?
I'm Crawford.
What is so more complaining? Say, I don't know the video now. One is what is on Mokabi.
I see who went on there.
Near more pen and yeah, no, and no one esino. I can blaze a chat to try video, and oh, yes, so some could drive video moon without permission, so moon him. Go to Libenicumas, I don't go travel. I don't go pool him now, August or Trasket to her. On him says so, Obisa, young from Anonym. More no, nipa over 1,000 at that moment. It is so come boy. Hey, ha. Yabe so unkofo ba bebu.
Attention about so.
And no hwehwe and wenya. Enye so onim de so ye. Skate na no an wetwa no.
Otwe wie o.
Just that edit yenti na hu ne sa no.
Nice.
Wa fu na wa hu ne sa na odi bu na achen. E yo musu ban ano no omunim. Ada no wan ko gina musie. So cemetery wo ho. E obi edi ho.
Aya.
I don't know.
Just 1 minute, then call.
1 minute, I think say BBA here permission. Now 110 say you soon near by now. Yes, so akosra obi kura ne ho secretaries who say fa na utwe no amusa no so ho na no nam snap na nsema kese
obi dem na mo expose am for
me am hotna baby makeka afi obi say Adjoa dem sanya me o so akai ho normally I feel say enye hwe and sometimes I feel say advert mpo ama and then I aka be no go here come and capture shop right Mr. Price any keka ho ni na say bebem endorsement no dey man no one brand placement or the atoso the amount of let's say me one also who can dey free kwanu too but when who say enye free na dey mama no na emu no majinkofo bia me akokọ wa ha mo beto ade that should be say omo video wa bontene say na if you can so bia be pa ka car on ne plan na mu na etwemu akwa echiranko e dey nsema brain so obi mfele private so oba ko bi mu it over fele so ye bibia man but what pam ko for 1,000
what do you
exactly.
Right.
So I think let's all educate ourselves.
Nice one.
Say permission is very, very, very important.
Nice one. God bless you.
Na say mo IGP free media for ni be meeting ni ade
mo ko na
no camera.
If you ask nigga ko ye ne ma no
hona.
Ogopa acha no.
Was yes watch camera. Was Stombo watch camera yan kan wasem no na watch camera. And it says obi ate say shutter was there. Oh, hunti ayate nenka.
Okay, nice one. Okay, God bless you so much. Ohemaa. Me bacho ene yewie.
Edanyame ase. Nyame ti ye show no ene na ye sha ase. By looking at akoyi.
Edanyame ase.
We dey prepare Nyame adma next week no. Minimpa se me ebeba ne de edutwam.
Echen kuro yo.
Echen kuro. Nti no mama nsama ahwe tiefo ne omo hwe o Facebook nyina wo mo hu se Nyame adoma Adjoa da onua bisabi mid morning on TV.
Nice one.
Ai ya sankra ne omo kakra nti no bibia momodia.
Fresh.
11. We de ya foforo kra.
Foforo kra nkensu.
Ya hwe ne de no normal.
Nice one.
Mama kasa.
David, what of you?
No more. One moment to be 7 more heavy what. We did your election for ma.
That's it. Auntie Uti Kojo Prekunka. He is the president of FOCAP and general manager for Kesben FM. And out in and Adjoa Silky Sunka. And also, I just think he is more DLFM. Then if you are Papa B, so you are more original FM and original TV as well. Franklin Ejekum, artist manager, former manager of Oramponsa. DJ Y. Don't ask why. The producer of the show, Amisty. Executive producer of the show, Nana PNT. Then Antaru. Me I made Jumedi Ebra we from NKG and Kwame Gyan. And they made in edition. Number next week there. I bear pomo. If I knew Cecilia, I've overstayed. We do need it. At the end, next week. God bless you. Bye bye.
I love NKG. Baby, I make you moon. We are NKG. Straight up. If you hear don't wait for Badai. We are NKG. Straight up.